SSG.
Fuck you, SSG.
Awareness grenade.
What?
It's an SJW grenade. Yeah, just from reading over the plans, right?
Right. What are we gonna do?
Right.
Right.
Right. First off, right. Go down here, right.
Right. Your face is in the whiteboard.
He's good. Right there.
Proper close inspection.
Anyway, we've got to free some hostages right here. Right. Then we've got a cond main AT-AT with 2 TF at 0630
Right.
and cond main AT-AT.
Alright. Yeah, fuck yeah, I'm ready.
Right.
I know the plan. You don't even need to tell me anymore. Let's go.
I was eating tasty tots without a bowl.
Cause you're hard.
Just a madman. Are you ready for this
Oh, love
tactical
that.
awareness grenade?
Love that rendering distance there.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm loving this. Oh, there we go. Oh, I've got Warlocks. I actually have. I thought the car mirror was a fucking enemy there. I was about to shoot a car mirror. Oh no 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 no. Right.
Well, camera is a mad lad.
I got one guy left.
It's mine. I want it. Fuck you, Sean.
They have to know you're coming for Kincaid.
This would make a swanky competitive
You're
man.
right.
I actually can't aim to save my life. What time my shots right? Last one.
No, you're right. There's a Schneidy
It's
coin
fucking
around
juggernaut.
these.
It's a juggernaut.
Do you mean?
What do you mean? What I mean? It's a fucking juggernaut. Look around the corner.
Back.
Oh, I'm fucking lit. Oh my god, go. 62 and 3. Oh then. Right, I'll rush because I have P90. Go. Never mind.
Oh, we got some like dank puzzles going
some
on
nice
here.
some Portal 2 puzzles.
Kincaid, get the hell out of there. Almost given up.
Alright, that's the same. That's the voice actor for the male 07s.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, knock over that camera. Dirty.
Make sure no one knows we're here and all that. Right, we need to do it at the same time. This is some Portal 2 shit. Right, get on the
Oh, right.
Right, 3, 2, go. Yeah, nah, what?
Jug.
5 HP! Get back.
You're right. Wait for it, lads. Wait for it.
I waited for it.
I'm getting ready for this
I
disappointment.
have to do this. I have to do it alone.
Oh, he's coming for you. He's coming for you.
Where'd he go? Oh! Instead of having a game of peekaboo with him, right? Why can't I just get over? Oh my days! No, it's not funny.
I hope we have to start back at the beginning.
Oh,
Yeah, get it.
shut it right. We came so close.
They have to know you're coming for Kincaid. Be careful.
Kim K. Are we going for Kim Kardashian? Is that it? Are we saving Kim K? Did Kanye West use his $53 million to get us to get her out? Do you want to not? Oh, get in!
Kincaid has to be close.
No, you're right. You can look at the cinematic experience this time. I'll go do the dank puzzle.
Alright.
That's Kincaid. There has to be a way to unlock this door from the other side.
Hello?
We can open the door then.
Don't know how.
We can open the door then!
It's open.
Oh, piss. What?
Almost given up.
Yeah, did you hear him? It's the same voice actor as like most of the generic male citizens from Half-Life.
Yeah. It'd be the same guy.
Yeah.
Oh, they won't hire a new voice actor. It'll just be one guy.
It'll be the same guy from The Office 1. It'll be Tim from Level Design or something.
Do you reckon they put all the names in like socks and just decided that way?
What? Oh yeah.
Like,
Pick out the person with like social anxiety, he doesn't want to do it, but he got his name picked out for socks, so he has to. Oh, nice. He's hit. He's hit again. And again. Nice.
Okay.
Turner, now we've extracted
knowledge.
I'll go get
Where's the hostage? He left the hostage! You moron!
Are we just gonna walk back with no resistance?
I think so, yeah. It's probably one of the easiest missions ever. I mean, like...
No, 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 no!
Yo, jump back, jump back, jump back. Go, 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 go.
Down 60 seconds.
Yo, we're just gonna get swarmed now. Oh no, we're not. There's only 4 left.
Here, I have 1 bullet. Woo! Sniper rifle syndrome.
Oh, Alright, oh, nice. I mean, I was totally left in the dirt there, but...
There, see that? See that? That was greatness in action.
We're the best.